Hindi ko alam. Pero isang beses sinabihan ko talaga si Senator Amy. Sabi ko sa kanya, kung hindi kayo tumigil, huhukayin ko yung tatay ninyo. Itatapon ko siya sa West Philippine Sea. Sinabihan ko si Senator Amy. One of these days, pupunta ako dun, kukunin ko yung katawan ng tatay nyo. Tapon ko yan dun sa West Philippine Sea. I don't think sumagot siya. Hindi ko maalala. Nandun pa yun sa group chat. Merong mga nakakita. May ibang tao.
Okay. So Malu and Congressman Roland, some congressmen were saying that this would be a form of desecration. And Senate President Chis Escudero was quoted as saying that this is unbecoming of a vice president. Malu, will start with you.
Karen, I don't think it is desecration. I don't think it is unbecoming because there was a qualifier when she said, huhukayin ko. Kung hindi kayo tumigil, huhukayin ko. It's a threat. Will she do the threat that she mentioned? I don't think so. But it is a symbolical statement that tells you and reminds the target audience that nagpalibing kami. And why WPS? Because WPS is bringing us to war. Ganun lang kasimple yun. And when she put those two together, is she being controversial? Probably. But metaphor is part of political communication. And the sooner you realize that you are, a trap has been laid for you to fall, the better for you to stop commenting, especially you do not know the circumstance behind it.
Congressman Roland, your thoughts on this?
It's bad taste. Second siguro, even if not for the former President Marcos, pangit din sabihin, alam mo, yung gumawa ka ng nagkautang na loob, tapos sinisingil mo ngayon, hindi pa rin maganda. Even if it is not for President Marcos, kahit sinong ordinaryong tao, hukayin mo yung libingan, itatapon mo sa West Philippine Sea. Daming batang nanonood eh. Mukhang hindi magandang ehemplo yung sinabi niya.